Here's the Zoom H6 XY module alongside the Rode NT4 XY stereo mic. The Zoom H6 mid-side module with the side mic setting of 0, the default side mic setting, and a Rode NT4 XY cardioid. Well, after listening to those clips, I'm convinced that the Zoom mid-side module just isn't for me. It adds entirely too much noise for me to use it for acoustic guitar recording. The XY module is almost as quiet as the Rode NT4, maybe just as quiet. It's certainly close, but the mid-side module isn't making it. So if you record acoustic guitar, I hope you found that useful.